Hey, how you doing, guys? Pandora has just announced they came out with a standalone desktop version of their Pandora radio, so you don't have to use a web browser if you don't want to. And we're going to take a quick look at it. And it's available for the Mac desktop right now, or we should see a Windows version coming out pretty soon. It hasn't been released yet. And of course, you can use this with the free version and subscription model based. Now it's much more simplified. It doesn't have a lot of settings or options, but for some people like me, that's perfectly fine because I don't want any options to get in the way. I just want to play music, set my different stations, and that's good enough for me. Now this is the free version right here, and you can see when you first open it up, you'll have like an advertisement here on the right hand side. Now I believe it'll play this advertisement, a video advertisement for the Pixel once you get to the commercial section. Of course, you can get rid of the advertisement if you paid for the subscription based model. Now you can reduce this window down if you wanted a smaller size, and I'll reduce it as far as I can, which is right about here, which is something similar you find with like iTunes, for instance. And of course, you have, once you log in or make an account, you'll have access to all your stations and what you would normally find in the your web-based version. Excuse me, I can't talk today. Or you can find some new music through the search. And there doesn't appear to be a dark mode, or as of yet. Maybe they'll implement it in future incarnations of Pandora. And but it does support notifications. Unfortunately, the notification I got earlier, like when you change songs, a new song comes on there, maybe even the stations. Unfortunately, I clicked out of it during that time that I would show you. Now, they don't seem to have an option for the menu bar where you can minimize it and get rid of the window, but it does work with the dock at the bottom. As you can see, we have Pandora running in the dock, so you can actually click out of the window and it'll continue to play in the background unless you want to change stations or songs or skip some things. You have that option as well. So it's a nice addition from Pandora. I usually like desktop versions of some of the web based applications because I don't always have a web browser open. But then again, thanks again for watching, and see you guys later.